The United Arab Emirates has made a fortune in the past few decades relying on its underground oil reserves, and the whole country has undergone a transformation. After moving away from the status of a nouveau riche, the country's leadership also realized that they cannot solely rely on the oil economy to sustain them indefinitely. Therefore, in recent years, the UAE has begun to transition towards a knowledge-based economy, with defense technology being a crucial component. The Rabdan infantry fighting vehicle is one of the new military products in the UAE's arsenal. It is a distinctive armored weapon developed through a collaboration between the UAE and Turkey. Based on the Turkish Arma 8x8 wheeled armored personnel carrier and incorporating the UAE's own experience with the BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle. The Arma armored personnel carrier was developed by the Turkish company Otokar at the beginning of this century. Initially, it was a 6x6 amphibious model, later developing into an 8x8 version, mainly for expanding its market overseas. The vehicle has a large size, good comfort, and a typical armored personnel carrier layout, with the engine at the front, followed by the driver's compartment and the commander's position, and a spacious troop compartment in the rear, capable of transporting 10 fully armed soldiers. It is powered by a 450 horsepower engine, with wheels equipped with a hydropneumatic suspension, providing excellent off-road performance. The basic armor can withstand hits from 7.62 mm armor-piercing rounds, and the top-mounted remote weapon station can be fitted with a 12.7 mm machine gun or a 30 mm autocannon. The Rabdan infantry fighting vehicle emphasizes modular design, with a combat weight of about 30 tons. It is promoted as being able to seamlessly integrate various types of mission equipment and weapon systems to meet the needs of modern armies in combat and peacekeeping operations. The infantry fighting vehicle retains the basic structure of the Arma armored personnel carrier, with a large size. In the front, to the right, is a 600 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, and the automatic transmission has 6 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. The 8x8 chassis has good cross-country capability, able to climb a 0.7 meter vertical wall and cross a 2 meter wide trench. The front 2 axles are responsible for steering, and the run-flat tires are equipped with a central tire inflation system, allowing the driver to change driving modes based on road conditions. The vehicle operates in 8x8 mode for off-road conditions and 8x4 mode for road mobility, with a maximum road speed of about 105 km per hour. It uses 2 water jets for water travel, with a maximum speed of 10 km per hour. Next to the engine are the driver and vehicle commander positions, each with independent roof hatches and observation equipment such as periscopes. The driver's hatch can be partially opened, allowing the driver to observe with the head exposed, with bulletproof glass protecting the front and sides. The rear troop compartment can accommodate 9 fully armed soldiers, who enter and exit through a ramp-style rear door, with the top hatch mainly used in emergencies. There are observation and firing ports on both sides of the compartment. The UAE hopes the infantry fighting vehicle will have potent firepower, with a low profile, single-person turret housing a stabilizing 100 mm gun, a coaxial 30 mm autocannon, and a 7.62 mm machine gun. The main gun carries 40 rounds, with a semi-automatic loading mechanism and the capability to launch 9 M117 gun-launched missiles, with a maximum range of 4 to 5.5 km and armor penetration depth of 550 to 750 mm against homogeneous steel armor, posing a threat to main battle tanks. The vehicle carries 6 missiles internally, with a 30 mm autocannon firing rate of 330 rounds per minute, and a total of 500 rounds of ammunition inside, providing a certain anti-helicopter capability. The armor protection capability is similar to the tracked BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle, overall meeting NATO's Level 4 standard. The vehicle is constructed with welded steel armor, capable of withstanding hits from 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds, with slightly stronger frontal armor protection, able to withstand the impact of 10 kg of TNT explosive. The vehicle is said to have 3 defense systems, an air filtration system, an automatic fire suppression system, and more, although reports suggest these features may be optional, with customers choosing to install based on their actual needs. Overall, the Rabdan armored vehicle is a well-designed vehicle, with mature technologies and modular design allowing for equipment changes to transform it into engineering vehicles and other types. For example, it can be configured as an armored personnel carrier with only a top-heavy machine gun or an engineering vehicle with a lifting device. In recent years, the UAE has been trying to promote this equipment to the outside world, with the UAE's own military ordering 700 vehicles, with 100 being produced in Turkey and the rest being produced by domestic UAE companies.